Up here, walking on the top, you feel small and yet somehow limitless, surrounded by endless peaks and painted landscapes. You realize Iceland is pure magic. Sometimes nature feels it like telling you a story, and today we are listening. We are diving into the wild heart of highlands, chasing waterfalls, wandering in oasis, crossing canyons, and hiking legendary trails of Landmannalaugar. This is Iceland at its most raw, and you are coming with us. Show us your support by liking and subscribing to this channel, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you. Our journey begins in Reykjavik, winding through the charming towns where the lupine fields paint the valleys. We pass Iceland's only wind turbine, quietly turning in the vast silence of highlands.
Welcome to Háifoss and its sister waterfall. Beautiful gorge.
Haifoss, thundering with power, and Gjain, its quieter twin. While most tourists circle Iceland along the rig road, Haifoss awaits quietly, tucked away on a rough gravel path. Getting here takes effort, but the moment you arrive, you know it was worth every mile. But it's not just the height, it's the presence. Beneath the blankets of velvety moss lies a staircase of volcanic rock, each layer a chapter in Iceland's geological story, shaped by ancient eruptions and frozen in time. Just beyond Haifoss, between rugged hill and lava field, lies a place you would never expect, Gjáin. Over thousands of years, fire shaped this land, and water made it to bloom. From above, it barely catches the eye, but walk down the narrow path, and it feels like stepping into the unforgotten world. Here, the highlands soften. The roar of waterfalls give way to murmur of streams, winding through mossy stones and wildflower. Gjain is small, but it feels endless in detail.
Good. I think you're fish.
Every turn reveals something new. Twisted basalt columns, caves, hidden in shadow, tiny art sculptured by water and time. The valley was carved by Rhoda River, weaving its way through hardened lava flows that left behind the eruption from Hekla, one of Iceland's most active volcanoes. It's hard to describe how peaceful this place feels. You don't just walk through Gjain, you wander. You linger. It's landscape that invite you to slow down and look closer. In summer, it bursts with colors: green moss, red stones, yellow and purple flowers, like nature has painted every corner by hand. And somehow, despite its beauty, Gjain remains quiet. A secret shared only those willing to seek it out. In the shadow of volcano, between rivers and rock, Gjain feels like a dream carved into the earth. Delicate, alive, completely unlike anything else in Iceland. Our journey takes us deeper into the highlands, to a place few ever visit, Sigoldugljúfur. At first, the trail offers nothing but wind, cracked lava, and rough, bumpy path. You start to wonder if you are in the right place at all. And then the land opens. A canyon, sudden and still, pouring with life. Dozens of waterfalls stream straight from the lava walls, twisting through moss into a river that glows turquoise below. It doesn't look real. It feels like a secret Iceland never meant to share. These waterfalls are fed by the Tungna River, which flows underground for miles, hidden beneath the lava, until here, where it returns in whispers. They don't roar, they breathe, soft and steady, like land exhaling. Stand at the edge, and even the silence begins to speak. The canyon walls are layered with time, dark basalt from ancient eruptions, carved by the water and softened by the moss. In this stark volcanic desert, somehow life still blooms. No signs, no fences, just you and the land, raw, quiet, untouched and completely unguarded. Sigoldugljúfur isn't famous, but it's unforgettable, quite miraculous, hidden in plain sight. After chasing waterfalls and wandering through deep canyons, it's time to follow the lava trails into the heart of Iceland's Painted Mountain. The road to Ljótipollur isn't smooth. It's rough gravel. You will need a 4x4 to get there. The mountains stretch in every direction, painted in red, blacks, and greens. And then suddenly, like someone punched a hole in the earth, you arrive. Ljótipollur. The name means ugly puddle, but standing here, you cannot help but smile, because it's not anything but a wonderful place to visit. A deep volcanic crater, quiet and still. Its water glows with a calm, unreal blue, ringed by a slope of crimson ash and moss-laced rock. The contrast is striking, like fire and peace carved into one place. This crater was born in an eruption over 500 years ago. A blast of fire and ash that reshaped the land, and over time, what was once violent became serene. Now it's silent. The wind brushes past our ears. The water barely moves. You feel like you are standing on another planet, or in a dream too perfect to last. Look beyond the crater, and the world stretches out. A lone mossy mountain rises in distance, standing like a quiet guardian above the plains. And far below, rivers weave across the black volcanic desert like silver threads pulled through charcoal, tracing the path of glacier long gone. It's vast, still alive in a way that doesn't demand attention, but rewards it. If you stop to see, you don't come to Ljótipollur to hike or check box. You come to stand still, to feel the silence, to witness how beauty can rise from chaos, quietly, unexpectedly, and without needing to be known. Our final stop for the day feels like we have arrived on another planet. The last stretch of the road winds through lava fields and rhyolite hills, until just before reaching the camp there is a river to cross. No bridge, no warning, just water and instinct. The jeep eases through the current, and for a moment everything slows. Then just beyond the stream, a calm valley opens. Landmannalaugar. Colorful tents dot the open plains. People cook, laugh, and share stories beneath stripped mountains. It feels like the edge of the world and the center of all at once. But the real wonder awaits above. We set out on foot, climbing towards Brennistinsala, the sulfur wave. The ground here steams and hisses. Earth's breath rising through cracks in lava. Yellow sulfur stains the rocks like watercolor on canvas. Step by step, the view widens. The trail winds through obsidian fields, past green moss, rust red stones, and black lava frozen mid-motion. It's like hiking through a painter's palette. If that palette had been shaped by fire, ice, and time. From the top, you see it all. The lava fields below, the hot springs nearby, a wilderness that feels both wild and welcoming. This is Landmannalaugar, where highlands gather all their colors and land feels alive beneath your feet. It's not just a place to visit, it's a place to return. In memory, in wonder, in the quiet part of that now believes in landscapes shaped by story. From towering waterfalls to hidden canyons, from moss-covered lava to crimson craters, today has been a journey through the raw. Each place was its own world, but together they told one story. A story of fire and ice, of landscape shaped by chaos, but held together, silence, color, and time. This isn't just a day trip, it's a reminder. The more remote the road, the more it brings you back to yourself.